Students, now let us discuss partially miscible liquids. Partially miscible liquids are those where the two liquids are miscible with each other only to a limited extent at one particular temperature, and after their saturation they get separated into two layers. They are not miscible with each other in all proportions at all temperature. At one particular temperature, one liquid is soluble in the other only to a limited extent. For example, when we consider a liquid mixture which consists of phenol and water, they are partially miscible with each other. In such partially miscible liquid mixture, when we mix the two liquids to form a solution, we will get two types of solutions. Suppose when we mix phenol and water, phenol dissolves in water to give a solution of phenol in water is one type of solution, and another is water dissolves in phenol to give a solution of water in phenol. These two solutions, they get separated and they form two layers. Remember, the mutual solubility of two partially miscible liquids, it depends on temperature. With increasing temperature, the mutual solubility of two liquids goes on increases, and at one particular temperature, the two solutions, they merge with one another to give only one homogeneous mixture or layer. So, a solution of phenol in water and water in phenol, such solutions are commonly called as conjugate solutions. At one particular temperature, two conjugate solutions merge with one another to give only one homogeneous layer. That temperature at which the two conjugate solutions merge with one another to give a homogeneous layer is called critical solution temperature, which is also called CST. Or CST can also be defined in a very simple manner. Critical solution temperature is the temperature at and above which or at and below which the two partially miscible liquids becomes completely miscible in all proportions. Remember, in such partially miscible liquids, we have three different types of critical solution temperature. One is upper critical solution temperature. In a mixture of phenol and water, with increasing temperature, the mutual solubility of phenol and water goes on increases, and at one particular temperature and above which, the two partially miscible liquids becomes completely miscible to give a homogeneous layer. Such solutions or such partially miscible liquids whose mutual solubility increases with increasing temperature are said to exhibit upper critical solution temperature. One such simple example is phenol and water. Phenol and water shows upper critical solution temperature because with increasing temperature, the mutual solubility of phenol and water goes on increases. On the other hand, in some partially miscible liquids, the mutual solubility of two liquids increases with decreasing temperature. So that in that case, the lower critical solution temperature is exhibited by partially miscible liquids. So that lower critical solution temperature is defined as the temperature at and below which the two partially miscible liquids becomes completely miscible in all proportion to give a homogeneous mixture or homogeneous layer. One such simple example is triethylamine and water. In case of triethylamine and water, the mutual solubility of triethylamine and water goes on increases with decreasing temperature. As a result, since the mutual solubility increases with decreasing temperature, water and triethylamine shows lower critical solution temperature. Whereas the third one is, it is a very different and special case. In some case, or in a binary liquid mixture or in a partially miscible liquid mixture such as nicotine and water, the mutual solubility, it increases with increasing temperature and it also increases with decreasing temperature. Such systems or such binary liquid mixture in which the mutual solubility increases both with increase in temperature and also with decrease in temperature shows two critical solution temperature, namely upper critical solution temperature and lower critical solution temperature. In nicotine and water, so below this there is only one layer, which is the lower critical solution temperature, and above this again there is only one layer, that is the upper critical solution temperature, whereas within this area there are two layers. Therefore nicotine and water is the simple example which shows two different critical solution temperature, both upper critical solution temperature and lower critical solution temperature, because in nicotine and water the mutual solubility of nicotine and water increases with increase in temperature and it also increases with decrease in temperature, whereas in case of triethylamine and water the mutual solubility of triethylamine and water increases with the decrease in temperature, which shows lower critical solution temperature. In case of phenol and water, the mutual solubility of phenol and water increases with increasing temperature, which shows upper critical solution temperature. So the graph of phenol and water, triethylamine and water, and nicotine and water shows the upper critical solution temperature, lower critical solution temperature, whereas both upper and lower critical solution temperatures. Okay.